Now we are going to create these two input fields. So under the Instagram logos and back to the project, we replace this with a form, and the form has the width of 64 units, and it also in a using the flex box, and the direction is in column, and we have the gap of 1 and the margin top of 8, and then we remove these actions, and inside the form we create two input fields, and the input field with the class name of the width is 100%, and we have a round corner, and we have border, and then bg grade 100, and the padding is 2, and the text is extra small, and the placeholder is phone number, username, or email. Now we save it, and we can see there is a input field already exists, and then we duplicate this, and then we change this to the type of password, and then we also change the placeholder to password. So we already create these two input fields,